How to fix the iPhone keeps restarting problem. First, restart your phone by pressing and holding the power button and the volume up button until the Apple logo appears. Second, open Settings and tap on Battery, then scroll down and tap on Battery Health and turn off Optimized Battery Charging. Then open Settings again, go to General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and then tap Reset All Settings. This will restore your iPhone's default settings. If this does not work, try the last method. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on General, then tap on Software Update and make sure your software is up to date. Quick tip: make sure your battery health is good. If it shows below 70% or indicates battery service, replace the battery from an Apple Service Center. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe.